How to change the battery on a Nintendo DS activity meter. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a 2032 battery, and personal trainer walking or walk with me in Europe. Firstly, what you want to do is to check your rhythm. This will prevent any steps from being lost. You should see this warning if the battery is low. Next, unscrew the cover off the activity meter. This will allow you to get access to the battery. Next, take the battery out of the activity meter and replace it with your brand new 2032 battery. And then put the cover back on, like so. All you need to do now is to set the clock on the activity meter. Just press yes and hold it like that and back. And then once that is done, your steps should still be here. And just to prove that I do have steps, here it is. And that, my friends, is